Question number 40. Photons of discrete energy are emitted during gamma decay. What do you mean by gamma decay? You have one energy level, you have another energy level. Similar to Bohr's atomic model, the nucleus, which is at the excited higher energy levels, will now jump to the ground state. Thereby, a gamma photon is being emitted. Okay, with this basics, let us move on. This is an evidence for atomic energy level. This is not atomic energy level because gamma ray photon is emitted only when nucleus transits from higher level to lower level. So therefore, this is incorrect. Nuclear energy levels. This is what it gives you correct answer. Pair annihilation. No, pair annihilation means what? Okay, so when two particles join together to give rise to a photon, that is called as a pair annihilation. That is not a gamma decay over there. And quantum tunneling. Quantum tunneling means what? You have a particle, an electron, proton, whatever it is, and it is a barrier over here. It comes, it knocks off several times, and finally it comes out of the barrier. This is quantum tunneling. So therefore, this is also incorrect. So right answer is B.